Today, I'm going to show you how to make recycled cardboard snowflakes. You can use toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls for this project. The first step is gathering the materials. You will need the cardboard, a ruler, pencil, paintbrush, scissors, and hot glue gun. First, you will draw out 10 centimeters on a toilet paper roll. I like to just make little tick marks so I know where to cut. Then you cut those out into little circles. Alright, so I have all my pieces. Some of them are these circles. I've bent some of them so you can see what they will look like. And then I'll show you how to make those pieces. So here, I took my circle, bent it in half, so it looks like two little leaves. For this heart, I took a circle and snipped one side of it. Then I took my paintbrush and rolled each side in toward the center, like this. There's a little heart. For the snowflake I'm going to use 6 hearts, 6 ovals, and 18 of the double leaves. The first thing is to glue the ovals together. I do this just by adding a little drop of hot glue to the base of each oval and then pressing them together. And as you do that, they'll become a flower shape. Next, I'm going to add some detail to the ovals by gluing in the double leaves. Put some glue on the bottom of each side, and then just stick it inside the oval and hold it until the glue is hardened. Now I am adding the little hearts on top of the double leaves. I do this by just adding some glue onto each side and then setting it inside each oval. You will probably want to press the oval to open it, set the heart in, and then let it close on it. That makes it look very fancy. Then I'm going to take more of the double leaves, put some glue on them, and set them in between each oval. Now that I have those first double leaves, I'm going to add a second leaf inside each of those. So again, put some glue on, and you're going to set this inside the double leaf that you have already on the snowflake. I don't press it in all the way to the base. I leave a little space so it sticks out further, adding the arms of the snowflake. Alright, and here's the last double leaf that I will add on the snowflake. Voila, you have a beautiful recycled cardboard snowflake. You can add color or leave it as is. On these, I have done different designs, painted them, and added glitter. You can hang these or put them in a basket. They make beautiful ornaments or gifts. Have fun making these and celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ.